I'm a black ass motherfucker with a big dick. I'm gonna kill people today.
You don't know me, but you'd like to. Why'd you think I stood beside you? Not concerned with how this might fall. Nature become prowl at nightfall.
It's a lot more accurate like this.
Are you aiming for the purple shots? Purple.
Yeah. Oh, I got it.
Nice. Oh. Hit me in the face. Got it. Second one. Got it.
Nice. I want to see what this looks like when we're done.
You gotta aim a little bit lower than reticle.
Okay, try hitting the bottles.
Alright. That's simple.
Yeah, because they're so big.
Oh, what the?
This is awesome. Okay. This is not very safe.
Watch it, I'll hit you. Watch it, I'll just like reflect on you. You got me?
Yeah. I think that one's higher powered than the kitty cat.
I can feel it, yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Alright. Famas hip fire test 1. Oh! Oh! It's real.
Pretty accurate, I guess. You gonna shoot some more?
Yeah, okay, one more shot. Oh, I made a dent in that one. Hella big dent. I think I. Ow. Ow. Ow.
They're hitting you?
Got it. That's okay.
Is it even shooting?
Nope, it's not shooting.
Weird. Oh. It's a what now? You already wound it.
I already did that. It should be working fine.
Oh. I mean, it's shooting, but there's no.
Did it shoot again?
Out.
There we
We
go.
go.
Now it stopped.
Now.
Didn't do it. Stop. There we go. It'll work now. What? Okay, wait.
It's not a battery problem.
Don't shoot.
Hold on, I'm just gonna take it
Right in the nose. Give me the flip.
That worked.
That's good enough. We're about to shoot a soda bottle. Semi-automatic or full?
Semi. More accurate, I guess. I don't know.
Ready, motherfuckers?
I don't think that really applies to BB guns.
Are you closing up on it?
Yeah. Oh wait, how do you zoom in?
Up and down. Up. It makes it look really bad, but it doesn't matter. You ready?
Yeah. Oh, dude, you pierced it. You got it.
We got a hole?
Yeah.
What does it do?
It cocks it. I don't really know why you need that, whatever.
It doesn't pop still. Go. Shit. Oh wow, paper, poop paper. Stop moving, paper. I'm gonna shoot you.
It doesn't matter. Okay, I want to.
Motherfucker, you're dead. Oh, oh look! We can see exactly where he shot. It goes into it.
That's so
It's like ballistic gel.
That's
Cool. That is cool.
Should I do it?
Should I do it? Oh,
no,
we should.
you shouldn't do it.
Okay, wait, go.
Stand back though.
What the?
Wait, hold on.
Oh, that is awesome. Wait, wait, wait.
Crappy.
Here, record me real quick. I wanna see. I feel like this would just do the exact opposite of what yours did. It would just penetrate right there.
Okay, do it.
No, I died.
Okay.
No, mine's out. Reload. Excuse me. MP5. Single shot. Close up on that. Can you close up on it? Up. Close up on it. Yeah, click on up. You got it, but it didn't.
Oh, you got it.
I got it?
You can cut.
What? There
Oh
we go.
yeah.